Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Expensify for receipt scanning. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To use Expensify for receipt scanning, you can take a photo of receipt and Expensify's Smart Scan feature will automatically extract the merchant, date, amount and category, then create an expense for you. So what you need to do is head over and open up the app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the plus button on the bottom of your screen and then simply select create expense. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is select scan option on the top, and now all you gotta do is take a photo of the receipt or upload an image from your gallery. The receipt is uploaded and processed by Smart Scan. Expensify will extract date, merchant and amount and auto-categorize the expense based on policy and past behavior, and optionally attach it to a report based on your auto report settings. Smart Scan usually takes 1 to 5 minutes depending on the receipt, clarity and account plan. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.